Adrian, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here today to do a quick video on how to add a tracking link to your myleadgensecret affiliate link. So let's get on with this. Let's move straight into myleadgensecret. This is my account. Here is your affiliate link. So I'm going to go and copy this. Highlighted it. Copy this. And then if you have a notepad on your computer, or you can just open up Google, I can do this two ways. I can show you it with a notepad. I'm not sure how clearly you can see this. I'll paste the link in here, and you see it's got 1697 on the end. All you have to do to this, guys, is add this symbol, and then SRC equals, and then if you're going to advertise myleadgensecret of the myleadgensecret leads, I put MLGS on the end. So if I go and copy that link now, so if I brought someone in and they come in through the mailer, that will go to that page. And I'll go back into my myleadgensecret and I'll show you that when they come in, this is what you can see. This is your tracking link. So you can see the name and it says MLGS there. So I know that this lead, Anne Brunner and Sabrina Lau, come from myleadgensecret. Now if I go back one step and grab that link again, you can add anything to this link, guys. This is what I like about this. So as you can see there, I've added MLGS on the end. Now, it depends on where you're advertising. If you want to advertise it on Facebook, you could just add a FB there. If you're doing YouTube videos like me, you can just add a YT. So when someone signs up, you'll see the YT on the end. You'll know that that person's come from your YouTube video. Or if you advertise on, for instance, Twitter, so you can just add a TW at the end, so you know that that lead has come from Twitter. Or, like a lot of people, Instagram. Just put in Insta and copy that link, and I can prove that that link will still open up in myleadgensecret. There, and it goes back to myleadgensecret. So if somebody signed up under this web page now, this sales page now, it would say, I'll come back to my affiliates again, just show you through it again. It would say Anne Brunner, INSTA, Instagram. So that's how you add a tracking link to your myleadgensecret affiliate link. So you can add anything in there. So it depends on, you can just even put in BL, your blog. So if you advertise myleadgensecret on your blog post, just add BL. So if someone signs up to your myleadgensecret and it's got BL at the end, you know it's come from your blog. So anything, or WEB, web page, so you know it's come from your web page, your website. Doesn't matter what you add in there or where you've advertised it, guys. Just drop two or three letters in on the end after your number. It's there. Look, just highlight that. It's and SRC equals, and then just whatever you're going to use. So that was today's video, guys. I hope you got value out of that video. And if you're looking to come into myleadgensecret to get 100 to 200 business opportunity seeking leads a day, I shall leave a link below in this video if you wanted to come in. And if you need any help, just hit me up, drop a comment under the video, and I'll get back to you with whatever you need help with. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. Quick message at the end of this video: stay safe, guys, wherever you are in the world watching this. Stay safe, follow your government's advice. Please stay safe. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. If you like the content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also go ahead and subscribe. Also go and click the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when I upload more videos. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. Stay blessed, take care, bye for now.